Welcome to this week's Family Health Minute. Do you want to know the best way to get rid of acute neck pain? Acute neck pain is very common among adults and is usually managed by medication and/or spinal adjustments. A review of 6 studies assessing the effects of spinal manipulation therapy concluded spinal adjustments alone or in combination with other modalities offered the best results for patients suffering from acute neck pain. If you or a family member are suffering from neck pain, chiropractic care can help you to restore mobility, alleviate physical pain, and positively impact your quality of life. Improve your overall health with a nutritious diet, regular exercise, quality sleep, a positive attitude, and regular chiropractic care. Make chiropractic a regular health habit for the whole family to ensure your spines and nervous systems are working the best they can. And that is this week's Family Health Minute.